BTS Batangas, BTS Batangas, BTS Batangas. This is Motor Vessel Precision. How do you read me? Over.
Motor Vessel Precision. This is BTS Batangas. I read you excellent, loud and clear. Go ahead. Over.
BTS Batangas. This is Motor Vessel Precision. We are an arriving vessel requesting permission to enter the port. Over.
Motor Vessel Precision. Please switch to BHF channel 12 for further communication. Over.
BTS Batangas. Switching to channel 12. Over. BTS Batangas, BTS Batangas. This is Motor Vessel Precision on channel 12. Over.
Motor Vessel Precision. This is BTS Batangas. What is your ETA at pilot station? Over.
BTS Batangas, my ETA at pilot station is 0800 hours local time, 30 October 2023. Over.
Precision. What is your call sign? Over.
BTS Batangas, this is Motor Vessel Precision. My call sign is 3 Foxtrot Echo Delta 3. Over.
Motor Vessel Precision. What is your drop? Over.
BTS Batangas, our drop is 12.3 meters. Over.
Motor Vessel Precision. How many persons are on board? Over.
BTS Batangas, we have 3-4 persons on board. Over.
Motor Vessel Precision. What is your ship's gross tonnage? Over.
BTS Batangas, our gross tonnage is 23,210 metric tons. Over.
Motor Vessel Precision. What type of cargo are you carrying? Over.
BTS Batangas, we are carrying iron ore with a total cargo on board of 12,304 metric tons. Over.
Motor Vessel Precision. Do you have any dangerous cargo on board? Over.
BTS Batangas, yes, we have 2.5 liters of IMDG Class 3 dangerous cargo. Over.
Motor Vessel Precision. Copy your details. Stand by while we check port traffic and berthing availability. Over. Motor Vessel Precision. This is BTS Batangas. You are cleared for entry. Proceed to anchorage area and await pilot instructions. Maintain listening watch on channel 12. Over.
Roger. BTS Batangas, I proceeding to anchorage and standing by for pilot instructions on channel 12. Motor Vessel Precision, out.